nomfazi we try to build a future. Ngiyacela uphume empilweni zethu. Thank you.
No, tell her that you don't want to be with her, you don't want to see her, and I have a fucking address, okay? And her stupid ass that whatever you guys were doing together, it is over. And I'm not going to leave you for a rat that stays in Turffontein. A stupid girl of Fasipondo, or you thought it was good enough for you to come. You tell her that you're not interested in that shit. Because she's shit. And you tell her that she's shit. She was only good for then. She's not something you're going to build a future with. Because she's a fucking asshole.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Trenda gogo Maweni and indodza yakhe uSabelo ngemva kokuthi ugogo Maweni kulikwe conversation indodza yakhe rather than side check where gogo Maweni is basically telling the husband ukuthi akamlahle. Ngamtshela ukuthi ungidodi or else utomlawyer, and we don't know ukuthi le conversation igcine seyilike kanjani, but people are making fun of this couple. People are saying ukuthi futhi uSabelo uyacontrol. How can you tell someone ukuthi mlahle? Mtshela ukuthi awusampuni ngitomlawyer, mtshela ukuthi she's shit. Yo guys, people are making fun of Maweni, saying it seems like emothi yakhe soyaphupha because nakuphela uSabelo so waqala ngisho nokumshithela. Guys, tikhala everywhere, ngisho etangomeni ku loudspeaker. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.